Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do Tango Thigh Thrusts. Now, this is a move where knowing a first move, really important, but having some experience of something like a Manhattan or maybe a first move inside turn, something like that, is going to help you. Something where you're used to turning towards the lady on the twist out in the first move. We're going to demo it from a different angle than usual, so you can kind of see what's going on. It looks like this. Goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So let's do the step on our own first. All we're going to do, step forward with your left leg, and all you're going to do is, as you put weight on the left, you're going to put the hips over to the left, and then you're going to start to take the hips back to the right, and you're going to pop them over to the left again. Okay, then we're going to step back, feet together, try the other leg, step forward on the right, and we're going to go hips over to the right, take the weight off, hips over to the right again, and back. Obviously we can do the same thing backwards, so we can step back on the left, and we can go hips over and over. You can step back on the right, and the hips can go over and over. That's basically the action we're using. Those are the 4 options you've got of where you can put it. So if we start left to right, we're going to go back in like a normal first move, and this is where the magic happens, as they say. We're going to twist the ladies out so they go back on their right, but guys, we're going to turn towards the lady. We're going to step forwards on the left between us, and we're actually trying to get to the point where we actually make contact. Some people are contacting mid-thigh, hence thigh thrusts. Some people actually end up contacting more hip to hip. Both are good. Okay, and all we're going to do, guys, is we put the weight on that left, we're going to push our hips over, which pushes the ladies away from us. And then as we start to come off, they start to come back towards us, so they're starting to push out, and we push them away from us again. Then it's weight onto the back foot, guys, so ladies front foot, into promenade. By promenade I'm meaning we're facing each other, feet underneath our shoulders, and close. Promenade means lots of different things in different places, hence the explanation. We're going to continue to turn. Ladies are going to go back with the left, guys are going to go forwards with the right. This time we have the thighs crossed or hips on the guy's right hand side, and we go hips away towards the guy, towards the lady, back into promenade, and again keep through. And we do the same side we did to begin with a second time, so we go push and push. You could do this as many times as you like, but I'm going to exit from here into a twist in prep, just like you would in the end of the first move. Turn and face, return and back. So now, same thing with some numbers from a different angle. So we go back 1, in 2, and then we get push 3 and 4, promenade 5, then we go push 6 and 7, promenade 8, pushing 1 and 2, prep 3, turn 4, facing 5, returning 6 and back 7. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, a 6, Tango Thigh Thrusts. We go a back and in. We get push and push, take your time. Push and push, take your time. Push and push, promenade into the turn and face, return and back. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another intermediate modern jive clip. Like, subscribe, hit the bell. As always, that helps us promote the channel, and it also means you get to know every time a new video comes out. So thank you to everyone who does that. Music recommendation on the end, something to practice to, something that will feel nice for this move. And thank you, as always, for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.